Red running lights cut the cold December dark. Coffee's burning, the diesel hums like an old hymn in my heart. 600 miles from the dinner table, Mama's candles glow, but I'm tied off to 15 toes, pushing slow. Headlong man on the radio says the river's running kind. I whisper back 10-4 captain, but she's running through my mind. Lord, I'm thankful for the wheelhouse and the wages that it brings, for the stars above the smokestacks and the way the toll bell rings. I miss their voices laughing, I miss the firelights glow, but not every chair gets filled on Christmas down here on the Ohio. Found a construction paper card taped up on the galley door. Crayon letters big and crooked, Daddy, you're our superhero. Stick figure me in a captain's hat, pushing barges tall as the sky. They wrote we bragged at school today, said our dad makes a river fly. Underneath in Mama's riding, they miss you more than words can say, but they fall asleep to the whistle and they know you're coming home one day. I slid that card inside my shirt, right where it beats against my heart. Some things shine brighter than stacked lights, even when the world's miles apart. Lord, I'm thankful for the current that carries me along, for the mates that feel like brothers when the nights get too long. Yeah, the river keeps me moving, but grace keeps me whole. Not every chair gets filled on Christmas